Hi guys, so are you looking to replace one of these? So let's see how. So if you have a Kawasaki Z1000 and most likely it's gonna be 3 months old or at most a few years old, then you will notice that this thing that holds the key lock has faded color or is disintegrated plastic on top. I'm going to fix it, or you might want to replace it with carbon fiber one, but I'm just going to make a paint on it. And first make it even and then do a paint on it. How to remove it? Okay, so there are two screws, one on this side, one on the other side here. So once you remove those, you're going to gently pull this one up from here and the other side up here, which means there are these two grooves here, 1 and 2, they will come out. So once that's off, you will have access to remove these two screws on either side of the cover. So if you take that out, this thing comes out straight away. Now this is what we need to do. We need to now either tape it off all this area and then try to paint it. First I'll make it even and then do a paint. If that doesn't turn out good, I might order the carbon fiber looking one from the internet. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I use the sandpaper to remove the debris from the top just to make it even. Well, I tried. And now I'm gonna put a tape on it so that it covers the writing on it, and then let's do some painting. Alright, so I've done like a couple of sprays on it now and then just waiting it to dry. Looks alright so far. We might do another paint spray on top. Alright, so first I completed doing a couple of coats of the black spray paint, which is this one. And then after that was done, I tried with the Duplicolor silver one. This is basically a Toyota silver color. So I've done one spray at the moment and it's already looking it looks better. It's better than before, obviously. Now I'm gonna do another coat and just gonna cover the space that's left over. So let's go ahead and let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so the paint has complete. Obviously there's a bit of marks and stuff, but I think that'll do for now. So yeah, that's the silver paint on it. Obviously the interior is still black, so it's gonna show up. Okay, and one more thing though, I'm gonna remove this thing from the top. So there's a sticker that says lock on and all the different ACC and everything. So yeah, just take that sticker off. So take that sticker off before you proceed to painting.